So very encouraging moves last night in Bitcoin. The reason they're very encouraging is because when you have sideways moving averages, you tend to have a sideways range or no trend. We've got flat moving averages, so no real trend here for Bitcoin, but we've broken above the first measured move level. If this was a correction and we measure from this low to this high and project it from here, that 61.8 level, which is where we stuck at, and we did stick there, for a bit, that would be the first place where, if this was a correction, we would fail. If this is a correction, the second place that we're likely to fail is the equal measured move level, which is up here at these previous highs from the 23rd of June, around 9,700. And so a reversal there would be, I think it's quite likely we might see some profit taking there as well, but a reversal there would be pretty disappointing, and it would suggest that we haven't made the bullish bottom and it's starting a new uptrend that we hope for. One of the biggest signs, though, that this is potentially a new swing is how the move unfolds. And so far, this is really encouraging. It's quite impulsive. And it looks good, I think, so far. The ideal place for us to go back to and retest is 10,000. And where we get to 1.618 of the first swing is at 10,110. If we go up there, then this swing that we're in now is more likely to be a wave 3. Then we can look for a shallow pullback and then another swing higher and go from there. So by pullbacks, let's see how far it will take us. In Bitcoin, the support now, where should we not go back below if we're going to keep going higher in Bitcoin? That level for me is 9442. Very slightly between the exchanges, but if you want to keep it really simple, the level is the high. We shouldn't go back below the 21st of July high. That should hold. If we're going to have a really nice short squeeze, I think we'll probably see really shallow pullbacks, and we probably won't come back all the way to our levels. If we look at Bitcoin here on a 15 minute, it does look like we've already done an ABC, and we could just continue to squeeze higher from here. So the other story is ETH Bitcoin. In ETH Bitcoin, we had, again, whenever something's a correction. So if we thought that this big swing up heart lower from February was an A, and then we're doing a B and then a C leg, then for this B leg, the most common thing we would have seen in ETH Bitcoin is an equal measured move, and that's where we stalled for July. The whole first half of July, we double topped there, couldn't get above it. Last night, on that big, lovely, impulsive move, we broke higher, well, not impulsive, but the move last night, late last night, we broke above this lovely resistance, and we're on our way higher. I think that we're on our way to at least retest this 50% level here, and that's a big 50% level. But I'm not sure how these fibs are going to work, to be quite honest, because not that many people trade ETH against Bitcoin. They're kind of in one or the other. But 0.02886 is next resistance, and I really like this to continue higher. Big target, if we can keep going and ETH continues to outperform, is 0.04092, all the way up here. And that comes from, I'm going to take these fibs off, and we'll look at a monthly chart here, and that first target level comes from the first 236 fib retrace from the whole drop, and it also lines up with the previous high in January 2019, and not exactly the swing low here, but if we look at weekly, yeah, this previous high anyway, 0.0409. That's where we're looking for in ETH Bitcoin. So it should continue to outperform. So it might be worth, if you're trading some altcoins and you can trade them against ETH and you want to get stocked out into something, sometimes, it might be better to get stocked into ETH than Bitcoin if ETH continues to outperform. Okay.